2004 Chevy Avalanche is powered by a 5.3 liter engine. It's got aftermarket 20-inch chrome wheels. Tires are in great shape, almost brand new. Nerf bars. It's an SUV 4-door with lightly tinted windows on the back. It's got enclosed bed, tonneau cover, tow package, it's 4-wheel drive, dual exhaust. And let's take a look inside. It's got comfortable leather seats, climate and audio controls. And inside, it's got power seats on both driver and passenger side. And up front, it's got power windows and power door locks, heated seats, memory seat controls, steering wheel controls, cruise control, 4-wheel drive, automatic, auto, dual climate controls up front, 6D CD player, moonroof. So it's fully loaded. It's just a beautiful SUV. So if you're in the market for a new or a used vehicle, come see us today here at Gentry Subaru and on